Hello everyone, welcome back to another Tooltip Tuesday. We all know that within the iGrind, a green tick means the operations are enabled, and a red tick is basically the operation is disabled. And we also know that by holding on to one of the tick and then dragging it down, either using a mouse or touch screen, all the operations can be disabled together, or it could be enabled together. Tooltip today is use of operation stages. Now, this view gives you a very high level understanding of the operations that are enabled, but more importantly, the sub sections within an operation or a sub operation which are either enabled or disabled. For example, in this flute from solid, you can see that the spark out and the reverse spark out options are disabled, and you could directly enable it here. Now, additionally, you can also see the facet point, and there are a couple of operations here, but one area which is quite useful is from the step editor. Within the profile software or the step editor, you will have many operations. You can very clearly see here that the OD back off and rolled end of tool is on. You could switch off, disable the operation, or you could enable the operations right here. So I hope something new again has been learned today, and until next time, see you once again for the next Tooltip Tuesday.